Now we can do 10th question, 9.1 10th question. We have to write the given rational numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? That is in the form of A to Z. That is 1 to 100. Smaller number to greatest number. Okay. Then here first rational numbers are negative 3 on 5, negative 2 on 5 and negative 1 on 5. Here all denominators are 5. So we don't want to find the LCM of these given rational numbers denominators. Okay. So here it is very easy. We have to compare the numerators. Here negative 1 is the greatest number. Negative 2 and negative 3. Okay. So here negative 3 on 5 is smaller than negative 2 on 5. Then the last number will be negative 1 on 5. So we can write the given rational numbers in ascending order will be negative 3 on 5, negative 2 on 5 and the last will be negative 1 on 5. Clear? The next question, negative 1 on 3, negative 2 on 9 and negative 4 on 3. Here all denominators are different. 3 and 9. 2 are same but one more rational number is there, that is carrying 9 as denominator. So here the LCM of 3, 9 and 3. Here we know that 9 is a multiple of 3. So we can say 9 is the LCM of 3, 9 and 3. Okay. Here this way we can find 3, 9, 3 common factor will be 3. We can divide this 3, 9, 3 by 3. So at that time how many 3's are there in 3? 3 1's are 3. 3 3's are 9. So 3 1 is 3. So now we got 3 1 3 and 1. There is no any other common number. 1 is a common factor for 1 3 and 1. If we are dividing by 1 we will get the same factor. Same numbers itself. So the LCM will be 9. So the next step is we have to convert all these rational numbers into the LCM as the denominator. So negative 1 on 3 we have to convert into the denominator as 9. So negative 3 on 9. Then negative 2 on 9. The denominator is 9 itself. So we can do this step. This step is not necessary, but if we are doing this, that will be easy for us to understand. So try to do this step also. Negative 4 on 3. Negative 4 on 3. 3 3's are 9. So negative 4 times 3, negative 12. Now we got, instead of negative 1 on 3, negative 12 on 9. Sorry, negative 3 on 9. And instead of negative 2 on 9, that's same itself. Negative 4 on 3, negative 12 on 9. Next we got these three rational numbers. Next step is we have to compare the numerator. Here negative 2, negative 3 and negative 12. Okay, so here the smallest number is negative 12. Next will be negative 3 and the last number will be negative 2. Negative 2 is greater than negative 3 and negative 12. So we have to write the greatest number last of this order. The given rational numbers in ascending order will be negative 4 on 3, negative 1 on 3 and negative 2 on 9. Okay. For this third question also, negative 3 on 7, negative 2 on 3 on 2, negative 3 on 4. We have to find the LCM of 7, 2 and 4. How can we do? Here 7, 2 and 4 is there. So we have to divide. Here one common factor is there. There is no 7. Only 1 is there, so leave it. But in case of 2 and 4, we can divide this both 2 and 4 by 2. So 7 itself, because there is no completely we can't divide this 7 by 2. There will be decimal. So write down that 7 down itself. Then 2, 1 2 is 2. Then 4, 2 2's are 4. After then the step is we have to multiply all these numbers. 2, 7, 1 and 2. So 28 will be there. 2 times 7, 14 times 2, 28. Then next our step is we have to convert these rational numbers into LCM as the denominator. Here the LCM is 28. After then we have to compare the numerators. Here negative 42, negative 12, negative 21 are the numerators. Among this, we know that negative 12 is greater than these two numerators. Next, among these negative 42 and negative 21 is the greatest one. Then negative 42 is the smallest among these three rational numbers. So negative 42 on 28, negative 21 on 28, negative 12 on 28 is in the ascending order. So we have to write the given rational numbers. We have to check that negative 42 on 28 is equal to negative 3 on 2. So this is the smallest one. Next, negative 21 on 28. Negative 21 on 28 is equal to negative 3 on 4. Negative 3 on 4 we converted into negative 21 on 28. So we can write negative 3 on 4 is the second one, and the greatest rational number is negative 12 on 28. That is equal to negative 3 on 7. Clear, children? So last we have to write negative 3 on 7. I think now you got the idea how can we write the given rational numbers in ascending order. First we have to convert all the denominators as same. Okay. Then after then compare the numerators. Okay, children? Then we have to think about the rational numbers. Okay. After then we have to write the given rational numbers in ascending order. Is it clear for you? Thank you.